Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing this face, I'm Oma Click. Thanks for stopping by. On today's video, I'll be making chin chin and peanuts at the same time. And if you are seeing this video, know that this is a vlogmas video. Before now, I have dropped a video on how you can make your chin chin and your peanut. Behind me is my equipment and my ingredients. So if you want to know the ingredient that is used for this chin chin and peanuts, please go and watch how to make your rich homemade crunchy chin chin and how to make your peanuts. I have dropped those videos before now, and also watch my other videos, please, and make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and share my video. It can be helpful to 1 or 2 persons. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Like I said on my first video, you will be working with dry materials, dry equipment. So to mix my flour, I have to first of all dry my bowl with my paper towel. Forgive me, I have not opened this thing. I just want to start from the scratch to the end of this video. So I'll first of all dry my bowl. This is my bowl. I want to mix my chin chin with this bowl. And make sure that everything you are working with should be clean and dry. So I am going to take down some things out of this table because there is no space for me. There's no working space for me. Forgive me if I'm a mess in this video because here is not special. Here isn't special. So let me take out my equipment so that I will get enough space on this working table for now. So on Saturday, I went to market and I got few things that I don't have. You know, I don't have oven for baking, so I got vegetable oil, Emperor vegetable oil. Please, this video is not a sponsored video, so if I'm mentioning everything that I use, it's not a must that you must use this. So it's not a sponsored video. So this is my granules for my peanuts. Milk flavor. My milk flavor, I got milk flavor because the one I had can't be enough to bake these 2 things at the same time. So before now, I showed you guys nutmeg, and I got like 2 nutmeg. So I got some sugar. I got this sugar. I don't have enough sugar again. I got vanilla flavor. Spoons of these spoons. I don't have the measuring spoon. I will continue with water since my lesson. So you know, like I said in my previous video, is bit by bit that you be adding the water so that you get the exact amount of so that you get the exact amount of your mixture, because if you add excess water you might spoil the chin chin at the process of mashing them together. So this is the end results. For my chin chin I formed how many dough? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So I'm going to set it aside, then prepare my peanuts. So this is the bowl I'm going to use for my peanuts. So I'm going to clean it. This is my flour. So since I'm not going to use all these again, so I'm going to take this is too much for the size of peanut I want to make. So the next step for this dough is to roll it and then cut it and start frying. So since that one is going to take me longer time before I can finish this one, so let me first of all finish my peanuts and milk flavor. I'm going to add it. That's the half remaining from the one I used the half of it to mix my chim chim, so I have to put the remaining half. So I'm going to use 1 sachet of milk. Let me open it. So I've mixed it. So now I'm not going to use baking powder for my peanuts. So you are not going to use baking powder for this peanut again. So the only thing that you need for your peanuts is your flour, your sugar, your milk flavor, your flavor which is your vanilla flavor, your sachet milk, your egg if you like, but me I love to put egg. I have my reasons. And salt, don't forget your salt, and also your nutmeg. So I'm still going to make noise while pounding that nutmeg. So this is my nutmeg, the one I pounded earlier on. So I'm still going to finish pounding it to add it. So guys, I forgot to say this. When you are preparing your peanuts, you have to mix the liquid to the liquid, then your solid to the solid, which means that you have to mix those solid ones, those granulated ones like flour, milk flavor, sachet milk, and your salt. So for the sugar, I'm not going to add it directly into this bowl, so I'm going to mix it while mixing it with those my liquid substance or my liquid ingredients, because sugar, when you mix it here, it's going to be cloppy. I don't like seeing those cloppy things in it, but there is no problem. You know, this is peanuts, so you don't need enough, you don't need sugar for it. So let me finish pounding my nutmeg first. So guys, I've already added break my egg and add my liquid milk, my vanilla flavor. So I'm about to add 2 spoons of sugar since 1 and 2. I want these peanuts to be tasty as well, so I'm going to, you know what, mix them properly. So I'm not going to make I'm not going to make this video to be long because my phone is having a little bit issue. So I'm trying to take out something so I can be able to film this video very well. So you know, I've already done this the coating before now, so I'm not going to show you guys the coating. So if you want to see how I coated these peanuts, I have already dropped the video before now, so go watch that video to get how to coat these my peanuts. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this moment, please subscribe, like, share, and Merry Christmas to all of you. Thanks, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.